What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Wattpad. So first off, head over to Google and type in Wattpad. Here you can see the official Wattpad website. Just click on it. After clicking, you will be welcome to this web page. After that, if you want to create a new account, just simply click on sign up. Here you can sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or you can either sign up with email. I am signing up with my email. So as you can see, I have written my email, my username, and my password. So here is an option that I'd like to receive marketing emails from Wattpad. This is option, so I don't want it. And I'll just check this checkbox that I have read all the terms and conditions. I'll just simply click on sign up with email. So as you can see, I want to select my three favorite genres. I'll just select it. So after selecting, just simply click on continue. So as you can see, I have been welcomed to this homepage of Wattpad. If you want to make real money on Wattpad, you just simply need to write regularly and you must have a huge Wattpad network of followers. And what do I mean by views or followers? Means you must be getting some views around 50 to 60,000 views, and you must be regular at writing stories and you must complete the stories that you start. So this is how you can build your network and earn money through Wattpad. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.